Hey, this is Neil from Walter's Appliance, and I'm going to show you some things to watch for when you're installing your Bosch dishwasher junction box. Now, most dishwashers are hardwired, but the newer Bosch dishwashers actually come with a plug. So instead of having an electrician put a plug behind your dishwasher, you can get a junction box, which is a separate part that Bosch sells. Part number 11031987. And some of the most important things that you got to watch for when you're installing this junction box is the wire strip length. You'll see on the box that they have half an inch or 13 millimeters. So what I like to do is actually measure a little bit less than that so that I can make sure that I don't insert any further or any more than the half inch or 13 millimeters. So what you're seeing me doing here is just using a marker to just mark off a little bit less than that, and then I'm going to strip these wires so that I can make sure that at the maximum amount that I'm less than half inch or 13 millimeters that Bosch is asking for. So that's where you can, when you look on the top of the box, of the junction box, you'll see that little wire strip length, and you can just quickly gauge your wires with that and just go a little bit less. So now I'm setting up the strain release, the strain relief. That's just there because you don't want anything pulling on those wires once it's installed. So you kind of just want to set that up, and that washer, that threaded washer, just kind of put that on there so it's loose, so you can still move it around, but then you can do what you need to do to install those wires. So with the wires, you're going to want to go black to black and white to white, and then the bare wire goes to the green, which is the ground. So what I like to do is just reverse all the screws there, just so I can make sure that that clamp for the wires is at the very top. And then I'm going to insert the wire. This is the black one, or the line. And once you insert that and you start actually tightening that up, you'll actually feel that little clamp starting to come down, and you can feel it actually pressing on that wire so that you know that it's in there and you're installing it properly. Okay, so you don't want to crush the thing and just install it, but you do want it installed properly. So I've got the first one there, and these needle nose pliers are really handy for these situations. Putting the white wire in now, and then we're just going to tighten that up. Okay, so did the white wire now, and now we're going to do the bare, or the green, which is your ground, which is very important. Got to make sure that that's installed in there. Okay, those are all installed properly. So now I'm just going to tighten up that threaded washer on the strain relief. So now I've got that in place, and then there's just a clamp to clamp the wire down. Just tighten that up now. Okay, that's in. Now just put the cover on top. And we'll just screw that down. Those are just Phillips screws on top. Okay, that's in and that's installed properly. And yeah, of course the power was turned off, so now that's good to go, and you can just plug that in the back of the dishwasher.